Welcome back to another El Yucateco recipe video, everyone. My name is Mike, and today I've got a simple and unbelievably delicious potato salad recipe for you. It's going to be perfect for your next barbecue, gathering, or maybe even a picnic. It's coming up right now. Hey everybody, welcome back once again. We really appreciate all your support. If you're not following us here yet, consider doing so by hitting that button down there. And I'm going to have all the details for this recipe down in the description, as well as links to all the El Yucateco social media. Without any further ado, let's jump right into this delicious potato salad recipe. When it comes to potato salad, I really love to use red potatoes. You can use any potato you like. I just prefer the texture of red potatoes. So start by rinsing those off, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now, as soon as you cut those, immediately place those into a pot of cold water that's lightly salted. Once all your potatoes are in the pot, go ahead and get that on high heat and boil those potatoes until they are toothpick tender. As soon as that toothpick can go into that potato pretty easily, those potatoes are ready. Strain those and transfer those to a bowl where you're going to allow them to cool. Now mine have been cooling and they're ready to go, so it's time to add the rest of these ingredients. Start with some mayonnaise, finely diced celery, finely diced green onion, distilled white vinegar, a little bit of dill, salt and pepper to taste. And we are going to set this recipe off with some El Yucateco Red. Now gently fold this all together. The folding technique will help keep the potatoes intact and still get everything mixed together perfectly well. And just a couple minutes later, this is ready to go. You can serve this up immediately, or you can put it in the refrigerator and chill it until it's time to serve. I've transferred mine to a serving bowl here, and right before you serve this, just hit this up with a little bit more dill for presentation and a little added flavor. Okay, here we go, my favorite part of the video. Cheers, everyone. That is a spectacular little potato salad recipe. You've got to give this one a try. I love the dill in this, but that El Yucateco is really the star of the show. A nice smooth little kick throughout the entire bite and a ton of added flavor. This is one you're going to want to try at home. Now, if you've got a potato salad recipe that you like to share, pop it down in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this content. Take care until next time. I'll see you on the next video.